Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video it's about Umkhokha the curse. Diva went to Mthembu's family and he told them everything. After Gabisile confesses, everybody cried. Where's Manzimande? Almost fainted. She said, Mamzobe tried to steal my husband. Now she killed him. She said, Mamzobe in this world came to torture people. Mabusi also cried because of the person used to call her mother. On Gumede's side, Mamzobe packed her clothes and said Tembu forgave her long time ago and she was cleansed and forgiven. Kulegan said so. Gabisile looked at her mother. She asked, Did you talk with my father? Mamzobe said, Gabisile, can't you see what's going on here? The police are coming. She continued on what she was doing. Gabisile asked her mother, Mother, are you serious on what you're doing? Her mother said, Don't ask me too many questions. Go pack your clothes. Gabisile went to the door. She took the key, locked the door, and took the key. Manzimande wishes that Mthembu never left her behind. It's where Zamcolo confesses that he also knew who killed his father. He never told Manzimande because of the pain she went through. And Manzimande, she said, from now on, I'm the one who is going to make decision about your father's killer. And I'm going to make sure that the justice is served. Then she kicked Spamandla out of her room. After Diva told them Tembu's family everything, he distracted himself by alcohol and he went home very drunk. Shame, poor. Pagatayo, I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.